The sewing machine industry is basically running the world's most successful con, and we've all been falling for it. Here's the deal. There are only a handful of actual factories making these machines. Janome owns Elna and makes machines for Neki, Juki, and even some Baby Lock models. Brother manufactures almost all of Baby Lock's sewing and embroidery machines in the exact same factories, on the exact same lines. And don't even get me started on SVP Worldwide. They literally own Singer, Viking, and Pfaff, and they're all coming out of the same facilities in Asia. So yeah, we're doing this. 5 machines that are secretly the exact same product, and I'm going to tell you which one to actually buy so you stop lighting money on fire. Starting with number 5, we've got the Elna 720 Pro and the Janome Memory Craft 6700P. And this one is personal because Janome isn't even trying to hide this scam anymore. They literally own Elna and just rebrand their high-end quilting machines for less money. Back in the 1990s, Janome bought Elna when the Swiss company went bankrupt. Now, they're straight up selling identical heavy-duty quilting machines under different names. The Elna 720 Pro is the Janome MC 6700P. Both have 200 built-in stitches. Both sew at 1,200 stitches per minute. Both have that massive 10-inch throat space that quilters obsess over. Both have the same advanced feeding system. Pop the hood and the part numbers are identical. The circuit boards have the same codes. Multiple dealers explicitly advertise this equivalence. Rocky Mountain Sewing lists the Elna 720 Pro as same as Janome 6700P, and OSP Machines confirms their equivalence, with the Janome coming in stunning white color. The Janome MC 6700P retails around $3,799 to $4,000. The Elna 720 Pro, you can grab it for around $2,999 because Elna doesn't have the same brand recognition in the US. That's $800 to $1,000 for a different faceplate and color scheme. Here's how people find out they've been played. They order a replacement part for their cheap Elna. Google shows the Janome part number, they order it, and it fits perfectly. Or they walk into a repair shop and see their machine's twin on the bench with a different logo. Warranty-wise, Janome has more authorized repair shops, so if you're the type who panics when a needle breaks, maybe pay the premium. But if you can handle basic maintenance, get the Elna, save the $800, buy a ton of fabric with it. Easy choice. Number 4 is where people get really defensive because they paid good money for that Baby Lock name. We're talking about the Brother PS700 and the Baby Lock Brilliant. Baby Lock doesn't actually make their sewing machines. Tacony Corporation distributes them, but Brother manufactures almost all of Baby Lock's premium sewing and embroidery machines in Brother's factories in China, Taiwan, and Vietnam. The Brilliant and the PS700, same platform, same factory, same workers, different day of the week. Both have 190 stitches. Both have 8.5 inches of throat space. Same LCD screen. Same knee lift for hands-free presser foot raising. Same automatic thread trimming. The Baby Lock just has different accent colors and maybe a few different decorative stitches programmed in. The Brother PS700 sells for around $1,000 to $1,100. The Baby Lock Brilliant, you're looking at $999 to $1,200 depending on the dealer. Wait, that's actually pretty close. Sometimes the Baby Lock is even cheaper. But here's the catch. The Brilliant often goes for $1,200+ at full-service dealers who bundle in classes and support, while the Brother PS700 at retail doesn't come with that hand-holding. If you need the dealer relationship and training, the Brilliant might actually be worth it. But if you're self-taught, get the Brother and keep the difference. The aha moment usually happens when someone upgrades from a Brother. They walk into a Baby Lock dealer, start touching the Brilliant, and get this weird deja vu because they're literally using their old machine with a paint job. The comparison chart from Sewing with Mel explicitly shows these are built on identical platforms. Number 3 gets even more ridiculous. The Brother PE800 and the Baby Lock Flourish. These are embroidery-only machines, and they are so obviously the same thing, it's almost insulting to your intelligence. Both have 5 by 7-inch embroidery fields. Both have 138 built-in designs. Same USB port placement, same touchscreen interface, same bobbin winder, same internal components. When you flip them over, the serial numbers show they came from the same factory lines. The Brother PE800 is $599 to $699 at Joann, often on sale for even less. The Baby Lock Flourish, $999 to $1,200 at dealers, $400 to $600. For what? Some exclusive embroidery designs you'll use once and forget about? Access to Baby Lock's Love of Knowledge online videos? The way people discover this is legendary. Someone posts in a Facebook embroidery group about their flourish acting up, and 5 PE800 owners jump in with the exact fix because they have the same machine. Or someone does a side-by-side photo and the comments absolutely explode with people realizing they paid $1,000 for a $600 machine. I've seen people get genuinely angry, like, I paid $1,200 for this and it's the same as my friend's $600 brother? Yeah, it is. Unless your dealer is throwing in years of free classes and you're actually going to use them, get the Brother. Use the extra $500 to buy thread, stabilizer, and maybe therapy for when you realize how much you could have overpaid.
Number 2 is the one that just happened, and it's wild. The Janome Continental M8 and the Elna 792 Pro. These are the absolute top-tier quilting machines with the biggest throat space you can get, and the pricing story here is absolutely insane. In 2025, tariffs hit Janome hard and prices skyrocketed. The Janome Continental M8 jumped to around $6,500 to $7,000. But here's where it gets interesting. A dealer called Janome and asked about buying Elna 792 Pro units, which is literally the identical machine, same everything, just different styling. Janome had 85 in stock. The dealer bought 70 of them at a massive discount because Elna doesn't have the same brand power. That dealer was selling the Elna 792 Pro for significantly less than the Janome M8, even under the pre-tariff price. You're looking at potentially $1,000 to $1,500 for the exact same machine with a different faceplate. Same 13.5-inch workspace, same brushless servo motor, the only one in the industry, same stitch regulation system, same everything. The newsletter from the sewing machine shop explicitly names these as co-winners for Best Combo Machine, noting they're built on the same platform with the same capabilities, just with different firmware and branding.
And finally, number 1, the big one, the one that makes people actually furious when they find out. The Brother Luminaire XP3 and the Baby Lock Solaris Vision. These are the $10,000 plus flagship combo machines, the ISO professionally flex machines, and they are the exact same machine. Not similar, not cousins, the same machine was built on the same platform in the same factory. Both have that massive HD touchscreen in the same position. Both have a huge workspace. Both have the built-in camera and projection system that lets you see your embroidery design on your fabric before you sew. Same 1,100 stitches, same everything. Brother's Luminaire XP3 runs about $10,000 to $11,000. The Baby Lock Solaris Vision, $12,000 to $14,000. $2,000 to $4,000 for the Baby Lock name, some exclusive designs, and access to their dealer network. Now, at this price point, dealer support matters. These are complex machines with steep learning curves. Baby Lock dealers are usually independent experts who know their stuff, while Brother mixes dedicated dealers with larger retail chains. So there is value in that relationship. But $4,000 worth? That's questionable, unless they're including serious training and ongoing support. If you're dropping $10,000 on a sewing machine, do the math on what that dealer relationship is actually worth. Because the stitches don't care what logo is on the front, and that projection system works exactly the same whether you pay $10K or $14K. Look, I know this is a lot to process. The sewing machine world has spent decades building these brands up, making you feel like you're buying into something special and premium.
But the reality? A handful of factories in Japan, Taiwan, Thailand, and Vietnam are producing almost everything. Janome makes machines for Elna, Neki, some Juki models, and even some Baby Lock entry-level machines. Brother makes almost all of Baby Lock's sewing and embroidery machines. SVP Worldwide owns Singer, Viking, and Foth and pumps them out of the same facilities. Next time you're shopping, forget the brand hype. Look at actual specs. Check if accessory feet fit across brands. That's a dead giveaway. Look up part numbers and service manuals. The information is there if you bother to look. The people who get most upset about this aren't beginners. It's the folks who've been loyal to a brand for decades, spent thousands, and just realized they could have had the same machine for way less. Don't be that person. Do your homework, compare beyond the logo, and stop paying premium prices for the same guts in a different colored box. Your wallet deserves better, and honestly, so do you.